You can see any iPod, but
oh yeah, look at them all.
the clouds are rolling.
So, can we go home now?
No, just wait. Stop raining, we can watch this.
I'm not too comfortable with the clouds moving.
Clouds move, that's what they do.
Until I pull my funnel.
Funnels are tornadoes.
You think?
Whoa!
What?
Look over there.
The ray of sunshine?
No, it's
there.
like a baby tornado. Oh,
Right there.
Whoa! What the heck?
It's just
No
the
way.
wind from the.
Look at the cloud coming up from the ground though.
Yeah. Holy sh.
Look,
Look at these clouds. I think. Oh my god.
It's leading to the ground.
No, we're fine. Ah, no, not my ice cream. Just ditch it.
I'm in the middle of the parking lot.
You know what? Just you're fine. Pull it back a little bit then. Okay, good. Stop right here. Whoa. Alright, whoa. Alright, if you guys can't see this, there is a lot of wind coming up and a lot of swirling clouds. Oh.
That's gonna blow that freaking thing over.
Oh, look at up there. Oh, look at that dust pickup. That's oh. Okay, I'm hit by some dirt. Dirt, shut up. Alright, the wind's really These clouds going over us are just. Hold on, you don't get in the car. Of course, and it starts to rain. Oh, here it comes. Oh my god! There's a lot of wind outside the car! Beyond their raindrop. Alright, time to head in the car.
Okay, it's time to go.
Ooh, I got dirt in my mouth. Crunchy. Go ahead and get out of here. Oh, God.